Hi, I saw an amazing lesson in a junior high school about an experiment, something that the teacher Gabi had adapted from a science book for a Hannukah lesson in English. So I wanted to share it with you really quickly before it's too late, because tomorrow's the last day before classes break for Hannukah. So here it is. I hope I get it ready on time.
Beautiful, because it's making one. What's the answer?
This is making
sparkles. Why is it making sparkles? We need to think about it. Why is it making sparkles? Look at the triangle. No, look at the triangle we learned. Is there oxygen? What's oxygen? Is there oxygen in the room? Yes. Okay, so we have the top. Is it warm enough here for a fire? Yes. Yes, here. The candle's alive. And it says a flammable material. Flammable material, Mama, what is it? חומר בעירה. מה פה חומר בעירה?
המיץ שיוצא מהפפוז.
What's in the peel? There's something in the peel. Look.
חומר בעירה. יש בזה מין חומר כזה שהוא...
What's in there?
מים. חומר בעירה.
No, the water's in here, in the orange. What's in the peel?
מה שעושה את הריח. אני לא יודעת מה זה.
Juice.
לא, מין שמן כזה.
What?
שמן.
In English? Oil. Good, oil. Okay, now, I'm going to put it near and blow. Put it near. Blow.
Oh,
Hold on. More, blow.
Didn't that look like fun? I hope it's not too late to enjoy it with your classes tomorrow. I'm going to attach the file down below, so it'll be in a link. Thank you so much to Gabi from Ulpenat Shapira and to the wonderful girls for allowing me to share this with you. Chag Sameach, happy Hanukkah, light those candles and subscribe.